today's video, we're going to be doing a top speed test from here down to way down there with a off-brand quad, 110cc. I just painted it, put those thingies on it, painted this, painted that. Looks pretty good. Off-brand though, like I said, 110cc. We're going to see how fast it can get. Has 3 gears, first, second, third, and then fourth is neutral, fifth is reverse. Yeah. Down there to there, but we have a way longer area back here, so now I'm gonna go to that. So I actually thought second gear was faster than first, faster than third, because I don't know. So let's try. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, peace. So the ending's way down there, if you guys can tell. So now let's do that. That's it for, the top speed test. That target to way down there. Pretty good. Now I'm going to do some donuts. Yeah, we got a little area right here. Wait, a little jump, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more of the quad videos, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, turn on post notifications, and share this with friends. Peace.